Okay, so now I'm gonna show about the SQL things here. So I'm gonna use this command for starting the database, and you can see I'm already in the T8 directory, so I don't need to do anything more. But you have to go into the directory. Then let's go in there, and then we can see the tables. Is all these is 5 instead of the at first it's 3. So and then these are all the commands I copied from the professor's specification of the tutorial. So this is the so you can see all here, and these are all doing the same as the professor did, and uh, we can actually use this code to see the songs, the what's that called, um, the ID and the tracking number, the recording ID, the sound ID, and also the song title. And after that, we're gonna see this is the columns that we're gonna like interested in, and you can see it actually sort some of the some of the information is disappeared. So now we have the ID, the tracking number, and the song name. And let's go to problem 3. And here, you can see this is the command. And I'm gonna copy that, then go into here. So you can see I already add 3 songs from Lewis, favorites, and the recording ID. And we're gonna use a command to change the recording ID to the actual song name. This command right here, and then go into terminal and then paste. You can see here Lewis, favorites, and here's the song name. And that's pretty much this tutorial does.